Another look at the tropical low. Invest 90p, upgraded to tropical cyclone status by the Joint Typhoon Warning Centre yesterday. Tropical Cyclone 13. Welcome to another update from the 4th 13th Australia Oceania channel. And we start off with a look at total precipitable water. The Bureau of Meteorology around 1600 hours today has upgraded the tropical low to tropical cyclone Cat 1 with the name Linda. And just about 5 minutes before 1900 Queensland time, Joint Typhoon Warning Centre updated their position on Tropical Cyclone Linda. Bureau of Meteorology's Tropical Cyclone Warning Centre here in Brisbane. Intensity Cat 1, sustained winds near the centre 65 km per hour, gusting 95 km per hour, located within 75 km, 19.3 degrees south, 159.5 degrees east, about 880 km north-east of Sandy Cape, Fraser Island, 1100 km east of Mackay, movement south-southwest at 32 km per hour. Here's the track on the tropical cyclone, and the information from the JTWC, and they say 403 nautical miles west-northwest of NOUMEA, New Caledonia, has tracked southward at 13 knots over the last 6 hours. Upper level divergence remains a very healthy 50 feet. I think the Joint Typhoon Warning Centre's information may be slightly out of date. However, they're unsure re the track speed and initial location. Wind shear, unfavourable is the red, neutral yellow, favourable green. The 24-hour shear tendency shows that the wind shear may drop. We will continue to bring the latest information with another update in the morning. 850 millibar vorticity, and there are 3 areas of interest, one being Linda, the Thursday Island region, Cape York, and the Arafura Sea. Now we have a look at the wind model, GFS on the BSCH, and it's the 850 millibar, and this is from 1900 hours out to 2200 hours tomorrow night, and you can clearly see the motion. The BSCH website is one of the top sites around. Now we look at precipitation, the values at the bottom of the screen. Each of these images are in 3-hourly periods. And the Bureau of Meteorology has in place the severe weather warning, upgraded, and normally high tides dangerous surf for Wide Bay, Burnett, southeast Queensland districts. And locations which may be affected Noosa, Maroochydore, Caloundra, Coolangatta, the eastern side of Moreton, Stradbroke and Fraser Islands. Now we have a look at the latest instability. Bureau Meteorology here in Queensland has a strong wind warning for the remainder of today for the Mackay, Capricornia, Fraser Island coast, upgraded to gale warning tomorrow, Capricornia and Fraser Island coast. A strong wind warning will also be in place for the Mackay coast, Harvey Bay, Sunshine Coast waters, Moreton Bay waters and Gold Coast waters. Now we have a look at the latest NOUMEA floaters. And for tomorrow, stronger wind warning will be in place New South Wales, Byron coast. And just quickly while we look at the floaters, I'm just going to switch across to Western Australia. Deepening trough lies through the Arafura Timor Seas. Tropical low likely to fall within the trough over the next 24-36 hours in vicinity of the Timor Sea. Over the weekend there is a chance that the system will move west to southwest through the Timor Sea close to the North Kimberley coast. Whilst there is a risk of the system being in the region for Friday, it is most likely to remain east of 125 east until later in the weekend or early next week. And for Friday they go from very low to low, and here's the latest JTWC, and Fraser Island remains in the cone of uncertainty. We have a look at the EPS track guidance. The main track is in red. The other tracks are the outliners. Now this is the EPS track guidance. I have it tracking the red one, probably going to do a bit of a U-turn, and the late cycle track guidance.
You can follow Force 13's outlets, the website force13.com, which has had a revamp and is still under reconstruction, but take a look. Also YouTube, of course, if you haven't subscribed, that might be a good idea. Visit Force 13. We're also on Facebook under the same name, of course, and you can like us on there, and you can also follow us on Twitter. Search Force 13, all in text for those. You can also add Force 13 on Skype or my personal account on Discord, Fool13, at extension 9094.